Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about something different which is related to the exponent quiz. So now we will learn what is the value of x here and we will solve it in today's class. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe our channel so that you can learn how we can solve multiple quiz and which will help in your exam or some in ECAT test or some other test. So here we have the 2 raised to power x plus 1 and equals to the 8. So we have to solve and find the value of x. So now we cannot solve like directly, like we cannot say like x plus 1 equals to 8 or something. So here we have the solution. First, we have to solve like this. 2x plus 1 equals to 8. So first we will make the basis same both sides. So here we have the 2. So first we will make the basis same, which is 2 raised to power 3, which is equals to 8. So we will give the answer 2, 3 equals to 8. So now we can compare both sides because bases are same. This one and this one are same. So basis same, basis same. So we can compare x plus 1 equals to 3. Now we have to find the value of x. So we will move 1 is another side, which is minus 1 because the sign was changed. If we move in another sign, so the value of x is here is 2. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand how we can solve very easily this type of question. So thank you that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like and share with others.